Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character dāng or dāng. Step by step, I will first write in regular script, then fill in 2 words and 1 sentence. Let's write. 当 or dāng. This is a polyphone. It's pronounced as dāng, means to be, when, same, as dāng, means to think, to replace. For example, 当日 that very day. 当时 then, at that time. What was going on at that time? What was going on at that time? 当时发生了什么？发生了什么？当时发生了什么？ My casual handwriting on dāng. Dāng, to be, when, same. Dāng, to think, to replace. 当日 that very day. 当时 then, at that time. What was going on at that time? 当时发生了什么？ Please comment any sentence with Chinese character 当. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.